Push-pull, push-pull. Why do people choose the push-pull door lock? Normal locks require 3 steps: grab, twist, and pull. But push-pull lock allows you to open a door just in 1 step: push or pull. Samsung push-pull door lock is stylish, convenient, and safe. Open up your smart life with the Samsung push-pull door lock. Easy way to open the door. Samsung push-pull door lock is even easy for children to open. And door lock can be opened even when your hands are full. Depending on how your door opens, you can order push to enter or pull to enter models. Better home security. Durable and unique handle structure protects from outside force. Anti-hacking encryption protocol protects from electronic break-in methods. Push-Pull 7 series have successfully passed 120,000 opening and closing trials and 300,000 self-testing of Mortise. Smart functions. Automatically wakes up when someone comes close. Manner mode allows you to make a quiet entrance. Smarter with locking notification on touch panel. Samsung's innovative technology. Samsung market-leading quality and world-class engineering have led to international patents pending for the push-pull lock. Innovative design and security. Open up your smart life with the Samsung push-pull door lock. Door lock is push-pull. Push-pull is Samsung.